I'm Silly Gene, guys. Silly Gene's marketing right now. Yo, Bo, you found me, right? Yeah, what about you? How's your marketing? Are people finding you? Because sometimes it's more like this, right? You're like, where's Billy? Where's Silly Gene? He's right. Where'd he go? That's what it's like with your marketing. You're not doing a good enough job. You gotta do better. You gotta do a better job. You already know what I'm gonna do next. What I do know is you found me. Everybody finds me because I'm everywhere. So if you want to get found, go to sillygenusmarketing.com. I'm so silly. I'm so silly that I filmed one take of this right before and I smashed my shin on the side of this and it's a big gash and I don't even want to look at it because I'm going to pretend like the ad's done now because literally Facebook or YouTube might not show you this because there's so much blood. That's the cost of filming. Yeah. If you're not that committed to your marketing to get gash wounds in your shins, you're not doing it right. Later, dude.